Hey y'all, this is the sleet/snow mixture in Georgia right now. Can't really see it because it's just really dark. But look at this trash can. Really, it's my trash can. But look at that. That's crazy. Look at the ground. Look at all that frost. Wow. Right? Then you got over here. If you can see that. Let's go over here to the transformer box. Let's look at the top of this. Wow. That is crazy. I got socks on my hands with mittens up underneath it, and that's crazy, y'all. Let's go look at the mailbox. Wow. So much ice. That's crazy. Let's walk out in the street. There's my husband. Can't really see him, but he's down there. I don't really know if y'all can hear it, but the wind is so, like, I guess, crunchy right now. The things you do for YouTube, right? Let's look at the trash can just one more time. Look at that. Craziness, right? And look.
Hoping it's not snowing soon.
Look at this. See, in Georgia, we don't really get snow. We just get ice and frost. Look at that. This is craziness. Ice. That's all it is. I hope it snows. Probably not going to, though. My husband on the phone. Let's walk down here to the stop sign. There's a car coming that my husband is very fully aware of. Ooh, don't slip. Ooh, he's slipping. Let's see if this car does the same thing. Yeah, I did. You couldn't really see it, but yeah, he slipped really bad. Excuse that, y'all. See, that's why you don't drive fast in the ice. Idiots. It's really not that exciting. Just ice and sleet and just frozen over. Show y'all this stop sign. Little bitty icicles on the bottom of the stop sign. Let's see all this ice he just slipped in. Baby, be careful. Is it slippery? No, because he slid from like right here. Because he like fishtailed a little bit. And then went up it. There's a puddle. How do you slip in a puddle? Some more frost on the ground. Woo! That wind is like almost paralyzing a little bit. I'm really not even wearing the best shoes. I'm wearing like house slippers out here in this. But hey, it'll be alright. Let's go see what these trees look like over here real quick. I don't know if I can hear it. I hear that crunch. see what these trees look like. Look at it. It is just so crunchy. That's crazy. Look at this. Frozen. That's beautiful. Wow. You know, it's crazy how even in the coldest of everything and stuff, you can still find beauty in everything. Thank God for that, you know? Yeah, the ground isn't exactly all the way frozen yet, but it's getting there. Let's go look in the burn pile over here real quick. More crunch. Look at that. Look at that. My camera isn't even really picking up on how pretty this stuff looks. Look at that. It just looks beautiful, doesn't it? Wow, y'all. Who knew the ice could be so pretty, right? Look at all this frost. You almost get lost in it a little bit. Look at this. That is crazy. The leaves are literally just falling. Watch. Wow. Baby, come here. Look at this, you guys. Watch. Come here, baby. Look at mine. Look at this. Wow. Did you turn the heat off in the house?
No.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Nothing. It must have just turned off by itself then.
Turn it off.
Look, baby. Watch.
Oh yeah, where you can take a leaf and it's just
It just falls.
No, look, here's the cool part. Look, this ain't cool.
That's cool. It's just not really focusing right now. I guess because I've been moving too much. But look at that. That is crazy. Wow. Look. I know. I know. Look at that. Wow. It's amazing what God can create. I wish that these were green like this all year long.
Huh?
Or whenever my light hits it.
Yeah.
But in real life, they're like darker, obviously.
You get throw back in here if you left or what.
I'm not going back in there like that. Nope. I'm not trying to get lost in this hole. Y'all come through this little woods with me. Ooh, look at the spider web. Do y'all see that? The spider, I don't know if you can really see the web, but let's see. Look at that. That's cool. Let me get out of this really quick. Ooh, hey spider. I probably just destroyed this little spider's home. Sorry, spider. That's really cool. I didn't even notice that. Wow. That was really neat. I really do wish that y'all could see this like in real life because it is so cool looking. Alright, well that is it. Well, if you haven't already, you can subscribe down below. And I will put all of my social media names in the description box. Yeah. So that's it, I guess, for this little video. That's just all I wanted to do. Look at that. This tree's been down here for a while. My husband cut it down like last summer. But yeah. So that's it. And y'all have a good one. I'm out.